So, what's your number? No, we're not talking about your mobile phone digits. Have you ever noticed those discrete little numbers on the side of your wheels? It's handy knowing what these numbers mean in case you ever need to replace your tyres. So, let's crunch the numbers. These digits here refer to the size of the rubber. The first three numbers show the width of the tyre in millimetres. The second number is the height of the tyre's sidewall, shown as a percentage of the width. The letter R stands for radial, and the digits that follow refer to the size of the wheel in inches. The last few digits are the tyre's load rating, and the letter refers to the tyre's speed rating. And there you go. Now your tyres have officially been decoded.